Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to change Aadhaar Card mobile number. Firstly, go to your nearest Aadhaar environment or update center. Find this center using the UIDAI website. Search by state or pay code. Now collect the Aadhaar correction or update form at the center. Fill in your new mobile number clearly and correctly, then double-check all details before submission. Submit the filled form on the Aadhaar Executive. If it's just a mobile number update, it's free of charge. For biometric updates if required, the fee is 100 rupees. After submission, you'll receive an acknowledgement slip with a URN. Use the URN to track your update status online on the UIDAI website. Now your mobile number will typically be updated within 90 days. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.